chasing CLB 7. If your Canada PR is dependent on TEF and TCF exam, then you need to hear this. Most students fail TEF or TCF Canada exam not because they are incapable of learning French. In fact, you will be surprised to know many people fail the exam because they are focusing on something which is totally wrong. They are actually focusing on the goal. Yes, they're actually focusing on the output versus they need to focus on the input. Now, let me tell you actually how this works. The entire French journey is actually all about inputs and output. Now, input is something that you can control. It is about how many hours you're able to dedicate in a day. Are you able to do listening practice? Are you able to speak and write and make the most of your day? Even after just completing your 9 to 5, that exhausting job, do you still have the energy and bandwidth left to show up for that class? Now, this is something all in your control, which is input, versus the output is the consequences of your input, which means that you cannot control things. Now, why this happens? Because life happens and there are times that you cannot control the things. Now, let's say on the exam day, you're so anxious that anxiety attack might just make you forget your advanced scripts. Or you listen to the word which is given by the examiner and you do not know the meaning of that. That might just take the concentration away from you. You cannot control the result because you really do not know how the examiner might just perceive your performance. So overall, there is no way you can control the output or the result. Here is what every student does. They set a massive goal. They want CLB 7 in about 3 to 4 months. And in order to achieve that, the huge, massive weekly targets are set. And after some time, the reality hits. The work gets crazy and they miss their study plan for about a week. And then comes the output. And guess what? What happens next? Either they end up just signing up for the exam because they are not focusing on the input, so they just go ahead and book the exam, or they quit thinking that this is impossible. You did not fail. In fact, you stopped controlling what you could actually control up until now. Which means that if you really want to clear this TEF or TCF Canada exam with CLB 7 and get Canada PR right this year, you have to just reframe your questions that you're asking yourself daily. You have to stop focusing on the goal of CLB 7. Rather, you have to focus on the question that you want to ask yourself daily. Did I practice enough today? Do I have a bandwidth of writing or doing a small petite exercise of speaking today? Did I do my grammar revision rightly? These are the questions that you need to ask instead of just thinking about which exam to book, when to book, which exam center is good or bad, because these are the output that you cannot control. Let's just focus on the inputs that you can really control. Making this one simple change can actually be a big game changer for you. And if you want me to help you to track down your inputs, you just have to comment French here in this video, and I promise you I will make an insightful video on how to track your inputs daily.